How to enable Secure Boot on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you enable Secure Boot on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, as you have to just check for that Secure Boot is already turned or not. Simply for that, use the shortcut key Windows plus R. From here, in the source field, search for MS Info 32. After that, click on OK. Now from here, system information, look for the option secure boot state. If it is turned on, it means that your secure boot state is already turned. If it is off, you can as usual turn on this from here. Optionally, you can turn on by entering BIOS or UEFI settings. For that, you'll have to restart your PC. After you are restarting and during the boot, usually you'll have to use the appropriate key like F2, F10 delete or ESC to enter the BIOS or UEFI. Simply you'll have to just go to the boot mode. Simply click here on restart. After that, use the appropriate key. After you enter to BIOS settings, you'll have to look for the option secure boot. Like here it is. After you find it, you'll have to simply enter on that. Simply click enter. And now from here you can enable it. Simply click on enable and hit enter. After that, simply you'll have to press the button F10 save and exit. Simply press the key F10. Alright, hit the enter. After that, you'll be able to turn on or enable the secure boot on your Windows. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.